Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Anki and Isu. I am Anki. Today I'm going to do a bellabox June unboxing. Like always, I'm so keen to show you what's in my box. And without further ado, let's get started. Bellabox comes with biodegradable, minimalistic white color packaging, which is good for the environment. It is an Australian beauty subscription brand, and if you haven't purchased yet, you can purchase your first box with my code, that is AnkiXBB, and you will get $5 off in your first box. Wow, I can see the purple pastel color in this month. It's like lavender. Bellabox had done rebranding back in March 2020, and since then I have been getting different colored boxes. It's a vibe, guys. It's a vibe. First time I received pastel green, and then pastel pink and pastel blue, and this is pastel lavender color, and this is the most beautiful box I received. Wow, we have product card same colored as box. It's beautiful actually. Let's talk about this product card because we are all in isolation and in staying home and in quarantine, and this illustration makes so much sense right now because there are homes and every chimney there is like cooking something, baking something. I guess I really love this illustration. Moving forward, this time in June box we had 4 hero product and we had to choose one, so I chose Manna Kadar volumizing mascara. First thing I can see, a Pantene Pro V blend micellar gentle nourishing conditioner. It's a 100 ml sample size product. According to product card, it does not contain silicones, parabens and dyes. Its formula is infused with nutrients like provitamin B5, antioxidant, sea salt and micelles. So I have already started using its shampoo. I think I should use both at same time to see the better result. Second product in my hand is Manna Kadar Bloom Mascara. It's a full size product and it costs USD $29. If you are interested in this product, you can find in manakadarcosmetic.com. Guys, look at the packaging of this mascara. It's a twisted bottle. I chose this because I wanted to try different kind of mascara. Currently, I'm using Clinique mascara and I wanted to change and try something new. That's why I chose this, and I think it's nice and it gives volume to my eyelashes. This mascara is cruelty free, and again, look at this packaging. I really want to touch again. The third product in my hand is from La Roche and it's a Effaclar Duo. It's a French company, so I always find it difficult to pronounce. It's a corrective on-clogging cure, anti-imperfections, anti-marks, and anti-recurrence cream. It's a 3 ml sample size tube, and actually I have applied right now while I'm editing and my face feels smoother. The fourth product in my hand is Loccitane Immortelle Reset Serum, and I must say it smells so good. I haven't tried any product from Loccitane before and I'm really excited to try this out, and I will keep you updated in my next video when I actually try this product. The next product is from Bean Body. It's a Bean Body Espresso Lip Scrub. It contains coconut oil and cocoa butter and it helps to smooth dry lips. Now it's a winter season and this is the suitable time to sample this beautiful lip scrub. The bonus product is from Plunkett's Vitae Natural Vitamin E Quick Dry Oil. It has rosehip oil and mandarin, and it contains vitamin E, which provides deep hydration, and it is ideal for dry, damaged skin and stretch marks and scars. Next, I've got $90 off coupon code for HelloFresh. Next is just the ingredient card. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Please check my description box for the link for bellabox, and if you like to buy for yourself, you can again use my code, that is AnkiXBB, and you will get $5 off. I hope to see you in my next video, and please consider subscribing and keep in touch. See you again. Bye bye.